Momentum 5 Wireless was designed for exceptional comfort and battery life, up to 57 hours on a single charge. The internal battery and ear cushions are also user replaceable, meaning you can swap them out for new ones even years from now. It requires no special skills or tools, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. First, power off your headphones. The left side houses the battery, so pinch and pull the ear cushion off. Using a compact screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws you see here. Now, move the attached baffle to the side to reveal the battery. Keep it attached and note the color coding of the battery. Flip the battery over, hold down the ear cup with one hand, pinch the harness, and gently wiggle it while pulling to detach it. Nice job. Once you have made your swap, go in reverse. Insert the wire harness, noting the color coding. Seat the battery and put the baffle back in place. Remount it with the screws. Line up your ear cushion and snap it in with your thumbs. See? Good as new. Thanks for watching.